Good morning, grade 8. So today, ang lesson natin is about how to create calendar using an HTML. Okay? So to start with, you need to open a notepad. Yan natin. And then, you need to create the basic structure of HTML. Basic talaga to, as in basic. Wala na nating ilalagay na ng mga language. We have the HTML, the open tag head, and lower than that is the open tag title. This is January. Then we need to close the title, to close the head, and then open tag body. Okay, then we are going to close the body tag, and we're going to close the HTML tag. Okay. Excuse me. So inside the open tag body and the closing tag body is the content of our web page. Here we need to create the table main elements. Okay, ito yung tinatawag nating table main element tag. Okay, and then inside this one, space po tayo dyan to create or to add table attributes, which is table border equals 5. So pwede namang 1, pero I choose 5 para mas makita nyo yung border and ma-identify nyo yung pagkakaiba ng main border at saka yung mga border ng cell. Okay, below this one is the tr tag. Okay, tr is good, means table row. Okay, underneath that one is the th
Good morning,
tag.
teachers. It's nice to see you today.
Okay.
I see Jesus in you. I'm Hannah Monreal from grade 8 St. Maximilian.
So,
and I'm looking
to
for
start with,
Sir table. So, may I come in?
we're going to go for January. So January has how many rows here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Thank you, teacher.
6. So January has a 4 rows, 6 rows rather. So ito yung mga rows natin ito. And then each of these cell is called th, and the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday is the th, and numbers is called cells, which signifies the table data or the td tag later. So for now, we're going to create this one: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So okay, dagdag muna natin pala tong December muna. Ito ang December 2023 or January 2023 pala yung ginagawa natin. So dito po yun, January 2023. Okay, and then we need to close the tr. Then we're going to add another tr, which is the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, add tayo ng another tr. And then dito sa baba nito is yung TD na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, which is the table data. Okay? So, unang TD natin ay Sunday. Ayan. Sunday. So, in natin dyan. Sunday. Okay. So, kopyahin lang natin yan. Okay. This one ay Monday. Enter. This one ay Tuesday. This one ay Wednesday. Okay. So, after ng Wednesday ay Thursday. Thursday. Next is Friday. Paste again, Control V. Pag nalilito kayo, pwede naman ganito. Paste. Yan. Ginamitan ko lang ng shortcut kaya para mabilis. Kaya parang kala mo, hindi nyo nakikita yung ginagawa ko. So, Friday, ang sunod ay Saturday. This one. Saturday. And then, tab para pumantay siya nito. Press lang natin yung tab sa keyboard. And then, we need to add TR. Okay. Since nakagawa na tayo ng cells, itong mga cells na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 din naman yung mga data cells natin sa mga susunod na row. Is ang gagawin na lang po natin ay kokopyahin natin to and copy, and then enter lang po. Okay, ulitin natin, right click, copy, and then we're going to paste. This time papalitan lang natin tong mga to. Okay, this one ay saan ito? January, ano ba? January, so we're going to go for January. Okay, January. Print screen natin para di tayo lipat-lipat. Okay, in January ay, so we're done with this. Okay, check. Okay, check na tayo niya. Ito yan. Diba? So, next TR. Ito na yun. Next TR natin. Next TR. So, ito. Sa ilalim siya ng Sunday. Sa ilalim ng Sunday. So, ito yung Sunday. Sunday. So, dito dapat siya. Kasi Sunday ay nauuna dyan na TD. So, ito yung nauunang TD. So, dyan natin ilalagay ang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan. Then, this one, copy lang natin. Then, we're going to paste again dito, paste, continue lang po natin. Nagtapos tayo ng 7 dyan. Dapat ang susunod na Monday ito, check na yan. So dito naman tayo. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Ay, 14. Excuse me again. Okay, 14. Copy. then paste. So we're done with 7, 8, 9, 10 hanggang 14. So we're done with this. Okay. Okay na yan. Dito naman tayo sa 15. Okay, this one is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so done na natin si 21. Copy natin ulit para makaproduce tayo ng 22. Copy. Ayan. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we're done with this. Done na natin yan. Ito na tayo sa 29. Okay, so copy natin, highlight, then paste. So 28, magiging 29, 30, 31, 31, this one, blanco lang yan. Kasi hanggang 31 lang ito. Okay, hanggang 31. So we're going to close this table attribute sa baba. Close natin. Table, and then file, save as, second quarter, this is 12 months, calendar. Okay, ang ginawa natin ay January. Okay, ginawa natin ay January. Lagyan natin ito January.html. January.html. Okay, then save. So don't forget that HTML sa dulo. Meron dapat extension name na .html sa dulo. Then save. So we're done with January. So hanapin natin yung ating ginawa. So this one dapat naka Google Chrome siya. So check tayo dyan. Next, February na. Okay, February. Ayan. So print screen. Okay. So this one, new, and then paste, or you can use paste like this, and then okay. Saan ba ako? February. Ayan. So, ito yung February natin. Ang February ay nagsisimula siya sa Wednesday. So, ito yung Wednesday. But still, edit natin tong February. So, ito yung notepad natin. Fix lang natin yan. And then, ito yung January natin. Right click. Open with notepad. Okay? Notepad. Open with notepad. So, ito na yung notepad. Ito yung January. Gagawin natin February. Then this one, gawin natin siyang ang tawag nun? February. Okay? Check nga natin muna. Check muna natin. Anong result? So, ganyan po. Pangit siya. So, kailangan hanggang dun. Hanggang dito dapat. Okay. So, wait lang. Save as muna natin to as February.html. Okay. Then, balikan natin ulit yung January. Open with notepad para i-edit natin yung mali na to. Ito. Gawin natin January. Ito yung January. Lalagyan natin siya ng call span. Call span. Kasi column yung ating buburahin. Patayo kasi yung mga linya na to. Diba? Ito. Mga patayo yan eh. Monday, Tuesday yan. Mga patayo. Pero i-merge natin siya. Extend natin siya hanggang dun. Ang nabubura ay mga patayong linya. Kaya call span ang gagamitin natin. Call span equals ilan yan? Ilan yung call span na yan? So we have simula dito. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 columns na ma-occupy ng ating call span. So we put 7. Okay, and then we need to save it again. This time, save na lang ang gamitin natin kasi may file name na tayo kanina na January.html. And then we don't need to replace it, okay, or to save it into another file name. Same lang naman ang gagamitin nating file name, kaya save na lang ang pindutin natin ngayon. So, pindutin natin ang save. And then, tignan po natin. Ayan. So, nag-merge na po siya. Yan po dapat ang ating calendar. Ganyan po ang itsura. Okay. So, balik po tayo sa calendar natin. Okay. Balik po tayo sa calendar. January. So, dapat dito, meron din siyang call span equals equals 7. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa January kanina, gagawin din natin dito sa February. Okay? Ayan. So, say February, naka-call span na rin dapat yan. Para ito, mag-extend hanggang dito. Okay? So, meron na tayong Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Hanapin natin yung Wednesday, pang ilan yan? Number 1, number 2, number 3,
Miss Cats, pahingi ako 5 minutes saglit. Tapusin lang
So, nasa number 4.
Parto.
1, 2, 3, 4. So,
Sige po.
saan yan? So, dito. Di ba 31 nagtapos dito ang February? So, dapat ang January, sa 31 siya nagsisimula natagtapos. So, dapat ang February, matatapos siya or magsisimula siya sa pang-apat na table data. 2, this is 1, 2, 3. So, sa pang-apat dapat magsisimula dun sa taas. So, ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito natin ilalagay. The rest, buburahin lang natin. Continue the process, numbering. Kasi nagawa na natin yung table natin. Mga numbers na lang yung babaguhin. Okay. 12. This is 13. This is 14. 15. This is 16. 17. Oh, sorry. 17. 18. 19. And then 20. 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Check natin kasi minsan 28 lang ang February. So check natin mabuti yan. Baka hanggang 28 lang siya. Okay. Ayan. Next is yan, check natin 28. So naka 28 na ba tayo? So 28. Then file, save as. Okay, may February na pala tayo. Kaya lalagyan naman that HTML and then save. Yes, replace lang. Lahat yun, di ba? Pare-parehas lang naman.
Wait lang.
350? Order ako sa...
Bakit?
Ang ganda eh. Di ba? Kita mo lang? Hindi siya.
Okay, next. Ano pa? Sorry. Next tayo. X na natin tong mga to. X na rin natin to. Next ay February, March. So March. Okay. Ito lang, paste lang natin. So, nag-print screen lang ako kanina, tapos nag-paste tayo dito. So, grind lang natin itong March. Kita kasi kanina. Ay, February. So, dito tayo sa March. So, sa March, ayan. Nagsimula naman ang March ng Wednesday. Okay, bakit? Kasi yung 28 ng February natapat ng Tuesday. So, dapat pag binuksan natin yung February, open with Notepad.
We're looking for February.
Pasok. This is March.
Baltan ko po yung papel sa paper.
Okay.
Ito po yung
Sige.
Ito po original ko po.
Okay na. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa March. Pupunta naman tayo dito. Edit din natin tong February. Gawin nating March. So, yan. Wala na tayong ibang babaguhin. Yun lang. Maliban dito sa date. Okay. Sabi kanina ay ang 1 nagsisimula sa Wednesday. Tignan natin. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung Wednesday. Pang-apat na TD. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pang-apat na TD. So, 1 bilang tayo dito sa pangalawang TR ng pang-apat na TD. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. O, sakto. Nasa number 1 po yung ating, nasa pang-apat na TD yung 1 natin. So, same lang yan. Dagdagan na lang natin kasi hanggang 28 lang to, di ba? So, gawin natin 29, 30, 31. So, hanggang 31. So, maglagay tayo 29, 30, 31. Okay? So, check na natin. 31. File. Save as March. .html. Okay. Now, okay na yan. Punta na tayo sa April. Print screen. Punta tayo sa Paint. Okay. So, ang April natin ay nagsisimula ng Saturday. Pang ilang TR? There 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, pang 7. Nasa 7 tayo. So, dito magsisimula. This is March. X na natin yan. Okay, hanapin natin yung March. Open with Notepad. This time, yung March, gawin nating April. Okay, April. Okay. So, itong, magiging April 2023. Okay, ito yung Saturday. Sinasabi ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, diba 7 yung So, Saturday nagsisimula ang March ay ang April. So, dapat equivalent po rin doon is 1, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, yun yung Saturday. Okay? And then, this one is
Nag-fail na ba?
X. Opo, ma'am. This one, since 1 yan, ang kasunod niya dito, kasunod na week ay 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Ano, sir?
23,
Ano yung ano mo?
24,
Ano na ang klase, sir?
25, 26, 27, 28. Magkukulate daw tayo, sir.
Ngayon?
29. Apo.
Sige, sir.
So, kulang yung ating numbers kasi hanggang 29 lang tayo pero may 30 pa rito, di ba? So, we need to add isa pang TR. So, yan. Dapat mag-a-add tayo ng isa pang TR para sa ano na to. So, copy lang natin to. Copy. Enter tayo dyan. And then, add tayo dito. This is 30. X. So, purahin lang natin yung mga natitira.
Good day, teachers. I'm Navarro.
Okay. And
I'm
now,
looking for Miss Cass
we're
to
done.
come in.
Okay, done na tayo. Save na lang po natin yung ano yung ginagawa natin. This is April. So, dapat ito ay save as april.html. Okay, and then X. Search lang tayo dahil nalobat na ang laptop ko. Okay. Then, okay, next is ano na, April, May na kasunod, May. So, print screen, then Control V or paste. Oh, May na to. May. Okay, so May. April, open with Notepad.
Have a good day.
So, we're going to change this one as May.
Information na. Pagsamahin yung voice.
May.
Sa una.
Slack. This one ay May. Okay, so kailan nagtapos? Or kailan, saan nagsisimula? Sa Monday. So, Sunday, Monday. Dito, Sunday, Monday. Dito po natin ilalagay ang 1, 2, 3, sunod-sunod lang, 4, 5, and 6. This one is 7. This one is 8. This one is 9. This one is 10. 11. This is 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 19.
Morning po. I'm
20.
I'm looking for Miss Leah po.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Let's just see kung may 31 nga to. Okay, burahin natin yan. Tignan natin kung may 31. Ayan, so may 31. Then we need to delete the exist, the exist exist na tr. So delete this one and save na natin. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin? May. Okay, May. Check natin kung May. Kit lang tayo. Yan, kasi importanteng check mo sa taas kasi baka mamaya, tingnan mo yung title bar. April yan eh. Notepad ng April yan. Pag nagkamali ka ng save, na-replace mo yung April mo. So, dapat mag-iingat sa pagsisave. Mag-double check. So, nakasave na .html. Huwag kalimutan yung extension name natin. .html. Ayan. So, we're done with May. Okay, punta na tayo sa June. Okay, bilisan lang natin kasi yan. May klase pa tayo. Control V. And then, this one ay nagsisimula ang June. May, June. Ito ay magiging June. No. June. This one ay magiging June. Saan nagsisimula? Thursday. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, sa Thursday, magsisimula ang 1. Try natin yung natitira para hindi nakakalito. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So, we're done with the Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, 4. This one is 5. This one is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Gawin natin 11, 12, 13, okay, 13, 14, 15. This one is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. So check. We're done with this May, June. So save lang natin. Take note. Baka ma-replace natin yung May. Huwag pong pindutin ang save. Save as po dapat.
Sigurado ka,
Tignan sa likod. That is June. So June ang ating i-type. .html. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na lang natin. Huwag na natin sarado yung notepad natin. So July na tayo. Print screen. Control V, July. Okay. July. Okay, ilagay natin yung July. Dito, July.
Hindi ko na maibigay yung listahan ng mga nabunot.
July 2023. Saan nagsisimula ang July? Saturday. Okay, Saturday. So, Saturday sa dulo. Sa dulo yung Saturday. Ito, Saturday dulo. So, dito tayo magsisimula sa dulo. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh, sweet naman. Sana ako yun.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
May kukunin ako sa
14,
table na Miss
15,
May I come in?
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. 29. Tignan natin. So, 29 dito ulit. May sobra tayong dalawa. So, mag-a-add tayo ng panibagong TR. So, ito yun. Yung kabuuan na yan, kopyahin na lang natin. Copy. And then, paste natin dito. Okay. So, 29. This one is 30. And then, 31. The rest, burahin na lang natin yan. Kasi, hindi naman sila kailangan. Okay. Tapos, balik tayo sa taas. Always double check kung ano yung month na ginagawa natin. That is July. So, dapat dito ay july.html. Okay? Okay, july.html. Next, proceed tayo for August. Okay, print screen natin yan. August. Delete lang natin para di tayo nalilito. Lagay natin yung August. August ay, sorry, naka all caps pala. August. August. Ang August ay nagsisimula ng Tuesday. Yan, Tuesday. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Tama? Tuesday. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. Tingnan natin kung may 31 yan. So meron. So magdadagdag tayo ng 31. And then erase, and then ito sobra, erase na natin.
Grabe yung Kitevis, na-break yung Casimir.
Okay.
Ang tagal ko na yun, minessage mo na si Dulce, sila, tinag ko na sila. Wala pa ako.
Okay. August, diba? So we're going to save this one. August.html. Okay, save. Then we will add another one. August, September na tayo. September. September. Okay. So, add natin September. So, this September. Ang September ay nag-start ng Friday. So, start tayo Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, gawin natin yung 1 dyan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9. So, is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Continue the numbers. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, check natin kung may 31. So, wala. 30 lang nagtatapos ang September. So, we're going to save this one. Ay, huwag makalimutan natin. Iangat lang muna natin para meron tayong reference kung anong month yung ginagawa na natin or kailangan nating isave. September.html. So, kunti na lang guys. Tapos na tayo. September. Kasunod nyan ay October. Screen natin. Then, October. Ayan. So, October na. It's October. Oh, okay. October.
Morning
Oh,
po, teachers.
October.
This is Angela Flores. How do you can think?
Ang October ay nagsisimula ng Sunday.
Message lang po ako sa video.
So, Sunday. So, dapat dito ang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
May nagpakwento.
6, 7,
Time, yun po kasi yung
8,
time ko.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Yes.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. So, okay, 31 pala ang ating October. So,
Yun na po nung is continuation.
28, 29, 31. Okay, and then we are going to go up to have a reference. This one is October.html. Ay, dalawa na lang guys. Tatapos na tayo. Print screen. Yan. This one is November. Okay. November. Ang November ay nagsisimula ng Wednesday. So, dito sa pangalawang TR, bilang tayo ng Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, dyan po magsisimula ang 1. Then, continue lang natin. This one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17,
Ah, yes.
18,
CLB po ngayon.
19, 20,
Yes po.
21, 22, 23, 24,
Pupunta ko po kasi.
25,
Saan ka pa pupunta ngayon?
26,
Kaya
27,
pala ako.
28, 29, 30.
Sige po teacher, sa nice day po.
Okay, 30. Then the rest, okay na. Balik tayo sa taas. Sa November yan. So, dapat i-save natin to as November.html. Okay. And finally, matatapos na tayo. December. Ayan, December. Paste natin. Need to do this one. December. So, replace this with December. All caps yung sa baba. December. Ang December ay nagsisimula ng Friday. So, Friday. Sunday. Sa pangalawang TR tayo ha. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, this is 1. Kasi yung mga numbers sa unahan yan ay ating baburahin para di makakalito. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And January ay may 31. So, kailangan nating mag-add ng panibagong TR. Okay? So, add tayo ng panibagong TR dito. This is 31 and the rest, erase na natin. Okay. And that's it. File, save as. Oops, kalimutan natin. File, save as. This is December.html. December.html. And then close na natin yan. Close. And good. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, dapat pag binuksan natin yan, ganyan itsura nya. Diba? Okay. And kapag meron na kayong 12 months, pwede na kayo magsimula dun sa personalized calendar ninyo. Kasi isa to sa mga requirements para makakreate ng personalized calendar. So, ano yung itsura ng personalized calendar? Ganito po siya. So, yan. Meron tayong months dito sa gilid. Ayan. Okay? Okay. So, that's it.